Hello everyone, this is Şehir Tuburkur. Today's topic is Istanbul Finance Center. On my behind, what you see is a huge construction on a 2,500,000 meter square construction area, which is consisting of all the headquarters of the Istanbul's Turkish banks, which will be Ziraat Bank, Halk Bank, Vakıf Bank, İş Bank, and many others, and the central bank. So there will be 50,000 people be working in this place after 2023, which means that where will they live? So next to Istanbul Financial Center, Sinpaş is constructing a huge project next to Istanbul Finance Center, which the name is Sinpas Finans Şehir, is on a land of 245,000 meters square land and 2,700 apartments. They are constructing it in 6 stages. Yes, all the stages will be ending by the 2023 at the same time with the Istanbul Finance Center project. On the left and right hand side there will be 2 metro stations, and by the way, Istanbul is the place which has the most metro constructions all over the world. So let's go on our tour and see our sample apartment in Istanbul Finans Sehir. Sinpaş Finans Sehir Time Tower sample apartment. Today we are seeing the 2-bedroom sample apartment in the Time Tower, and when we first enter the flat, it directly impresses us with nice Ataşehir view, the blocks, the green area, and the right hand side we see the red brick of our inside complex, and behind our complex, it's very close walking distance, the new finance city of Istanbul. So this is the living room. What they designed here is actually normally an open plan kitchen, but there is a nice sliding doors. It's basically you can open it from the both sides. So this open plan kitchen is turning into a kitchen with an island set up here that you can have your breakfast with this nice view on your behind, and this kitchen setup is enough if you are using this as your apartment, or it can be an home office. Over here the whole block is designed to be a home office as well. It's compact design. We have a 6 people dining area set up here, some family room over here, and 2 bedrooms on the back side. All the floor plan, what I see, it's so well planned, so this floor plan easily can change to an office. So this can be a workstation room, the other rooms can be manager rooms there. So as an investment point of view, it's a good plan. You can use it for both home and office. Let's pass to the bedrooms here. On this corridor, most of the floor plans we see, we have a setup for the washing and dryer here. It's a good space. And on the left hand side, it's the first bedroom. They did a nice design as a young person, young fella room. That's electric guitar, bed on the top, sofa on the downside, and the working setup here. And from this space, it has its own bathroom here. It's a walk-in shower, floating vanity over here, nice mirror, top to down, wide size of the ceramics. Of course, if you purchase an apartment in this building, it will be delivered to you empty, but you can plan the similar decoration on your flat. And this is the master bedroom here. All the bedrooms are getting a very nice daylight. It's a good space over here. So the apartment is pretty much like this. I would like to show the sample apartment in Time Tower. I'm not mentioning about the meter squares because there are many options on the building. This flat and this tower is basically all sold out, but there are options on the other stages. I wanted to show the quality of the Time Tower and the views from the top side. So let's go back to the streets and close our video about the finance share. So this project has many awards. Forbes is one of them, is giving the idea that this is one of the best profitable projects in Istanbul. So on or behind Istanbul Financial District will be ending by 2023. All the headquarters of banks will be here. 50,000 people will be working here. So where they will live? They have to live close to their working places. So Sinpaş Finans Şehir project with its 2,700 apartments is promising a very good investment opportunity that by the 2023 all the stages of this project will be ending. That starting price of this project is 2 million Turkish lira, which means that almost $250,000 that you can invest here for your renting the apartment, or you can live here. That it is a increasing location next to Ataşehir with a nice green area around. And also what it is, what the difference of Sinpaş Finans Şehir here is, on these 2,700 apartments they separated the social facilities in the project. Next to the project, that if you want to be a member you can pay and become a member, but if you don't want to be a member you don't have to pay the social facilities fees inside your maintenance fee, which means that rental values of the apartments will be higher than the project which has the higher maintenance fee. So you will have a lower maintenance fee and higher rental yields. So today, thank you for watching. Today we tried to explain you the financial district Sinpaş Finans Şehir. So isn't it a very good idea to make an investment next to the financial district which has 50,000 people living in the middle of the city and will be one of the biggest financial districts all around the world with its many metro stations here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The broker is out.